Hi friends, it's your girl Julie here from Once Upon a Cheerio and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you this crochet pocket guide zine that I created, and to make yours all you have to do is download it from my website. This crochet pocket guide is the perfect size to keep in your project bag, and it's a great resource to keep handy with you. Inside you'll find charts and tables for hook sizes, yarn weight, stitch abbreviations, a US to UK crochet terms conversion chart, Chinese stitch abbreviations, as well as crochet symbols. On the back cover, you'll even find a project bag checklist so that you don't forget what to bring with you, as well as a QR code for more free crochet patterns and resources. So let's get started. All you need to make this zine is really just the printout of your zine and a pair of scissors. So what we're going to do first is that we're going to fold this zine. So we're just going to fold it the long way first. This is called, I think this is called the hot dog way. Then what we're going to do is that we're then going to fold it the hamburger way. And then we're going to fold it inwards like this to that line there. Make sure that the sides align. And then again, we're going to fold it to that line that we have there. Like that. And then what we're going to do is that we're just going to fold it in half again. And we're just going to cut down this line here. Let me just crease it a little bit better so that I can see that line. We're going to cut down this middle line here. So I'm going to take my pair of scissors and I'm just going to cut straight down where that crease is. You don't need to cut any further, but you got to make sure that you get to that corner right there. Okay, so now you have this, and all we're going to do is that we're going to fold it inwards. We're going to fold it the hot dog way again. We're going to pinch it so that it goes like this way. Now you got your front cover and your back cover, and we are going to pinch it this way. Let me just make the creases a little nicer here. And now you've got your little crochet pocket guide, and then you can flip it open and this is what you'll have. And then you can carry this with you in your yarn bag here, and you just like slip it in and you've got it all. It's the perfect size. Thanks for joining me in all my crafty adventures. If you like my content, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you next time.